So a couple of days back, I asked AI to create Minecraft mods. The Minecraft mod was to help make the transportation of villagers easier. But when I was exploring Minecraft tool, MCreator, oh my god, MCreator, I noticed that it might be easy to create mods for yourself. So I got a list of 5 mods I would like to see: Emerald Set, Slime Boots, Healing Station, Lightning Wad, and Lava Walker. And I want to see if I can attempt to create them from scratch without any Java coding knowledge or anything like that, or even without any MCreator extensive knowledge, and see the results of it. But I'm not going to choose for myself. I'm going to have the Wheel of Fortune choose for me, and we'll see the results. So Emerald Set. I have a couple of things I want to go through first. So we have to get the texture. We have to get the idea of it. And what does it do extra? And after that, I'm gonna go into MC Minecraft and attempt to do it. I think it's easy because whatever I've chosen is not that hard. But for now, I'm just gonna put them like as a list and see which one, what perks I want to add for this Emerald set and what I wanted to do. So I took my time and I wrote a couple of buffs and debuffs for the Emerald set. I'm only gonna do the set. I'm not gonna do any sword or axe or pickaxe, etc. So I want it to be better than iron, but like not better than diamonds. I don't want to make diamonds obsolete. All enchants are available, and it's easier to enchant. So that meaning you can get more enchants for cheaper experience basically. To craft it, you have to put a gold armor piece in the middle of the crafting table, and around it, the helmet gives a buff of night vision, but a slightly decreased breathing underwater. So you'll get night vision, but the debuff is you won't be able to go underwater for as long as usual. When wearing the full armor set, you will get luck 1. And when wearing the full armor set, you'll get Hero of the Village. Hero of the Village usually gives you better discounts when you're trading with villagers, etc. And those are the simple features I want in my Emerald set. Now, my next thing that I have to do is the Emerald set texture. So I'll try to figure out how to do that without doing and going a lot of like complicated stuff, and I'll be back to see results. Actually, apparently I can create the textures of 2D texture and 3D textures right inside the game, MC Minecraft. So I'm gonna do that, and I will start now with everything. Mod name, Emerald Pool 26. Yeah, all those I don't care about. So again, let's put this here because we want to remember it. We don't want to forget what we want from inside the mod. Okay, perfect. So again, I've never done anything this. For me, it's complex. I don't know if it's complex for normal people, but for me, it's complex. So I think what we will start with is selecting from what I've learned from the past video is I have to set up the items, and then I have to set like conditions for those items, tick conditions or whatever it is. So as a mod element, let's go mod, armor. Do not use existing vanilla names, dirt, coal, diamond. For better compatibility, use upper camel case names if possible. Custom gem. Avoid using type names and element names. So emerald, let's call it gemstone. Emerald gemstone maybe? How do you write emerald? No way. Emerald gem. Perfect. So it already gives you everything. So helmet, chest plate, leggings, and boots. We don't have a texture, but we can create one from scratch. Should I create one from scratch or should I start with... I think I will start with the texture just to visualize it. Maybe it makes it less daunting to go inside the effects. Like the features we wanted to do, these ones. So create texture from scratch, fill with the template. Maybe let's go template, base texture, helmet, create. Okay, perfect. So this looks like a normal helmet. Drawing. Okay, clear. I'm gonna keep this white. I'm gonna make this a bit darker. And of course, we're gonna have to get the emerald green color. Actually, I'm gonna keep this. Let's see emerald green color. What is it? Emerald Minecraft color export. 516, 51D, 975. Is it from here? How do I change colors? 80, 200, 120. Wait, can I just swatches? Apparently this is an emerald. Oh wait, I can use a color code. Oh, okay. Let's see. I do this. I'm gonna make it darker for now. So let's go darker. Is it going darker? Doesn't look like it. No, this is too dark. Maybe this? Yes, much better. Is that easy? Should I not do anything? Maybe I can add an emerald shape here, or is it hard? Let's see how it looks. Oh no, I think that will be unrealistic for now. Let's stick to simple stuff. So save texture, we'll call it emerald set armor. Emerald armor. It's block item entity effect particle screen other. What kind of texture is it? Is it an item? We'll keep it at item. Save this texture. Oh no. If we go back here maybe. Oh yes, okay. It looks different than the old one. Custom elements. It looks different. I don't want it to look different from the real ones. I want it to look exactly the same. How do I do that? If you notice, the head, this one looks very sketchy. Can I do this? And then maybe create? Okay. It doesn't matter. Let's go back. Where's my custom item? Now for the chest plate. Let's go create item from scratch. Base chest. There's no chest plate. Boots. Okay. There is. Create it as well. Let's go back and set the same code. All Minecraft emerald item. We want this. Is this dark? Maybe I can do this for the dark areas and the other one for the light areas. Now we're done with the textures, or at least the 2D textures. I don't want to see this anymore. Is it immune to fire? No. Normal. From armor. Helmet. Glow effect? No. Special information. I don't know what that is. Is armor piece piglin neutral? No. Save mod element. Armor needs to have a texture. It does have a texture. Oh, okay. What is this? Oh, it's this 3D texture. How do I do it? I think I've done it. So I went to workspaces, resources, I created new texture, and then it appeared. Emerald layer 1. Helmet, boots, chest plate, leggings. Perfect. Armor equip sound. Can't I just have the normal? Let's go with armor equip generic. Maximal damage that armor absorbs. Durability. Okay. Now for the fun stuff. So I've decided for the durability to make it less than diamond and more than iron. So maximal damage, we will put it at 22 because apparently the maximum that it can get for the diamond is 33 and for iron is 15. So 22 sits in the middle. Or actually, let's make it 25. Damage values. The helmet, chestplate, leggings, boots. It'll be 2752. Enchantability. Enchantability, we can make it, okay. How common rare enchants can be enchanted on this armor? The higher the enchantability, the better enchants we will get when enchanting the armor. Vanilla values. Leather, chainmail, iron, gold is the highest. Okay, so since this is basically made out of gold, it'll be at least more than gold. So I'm gonna put it at 26. Lol. We will keep the toughness and knockback to 0 since... Actually, I can make the toughness 0.5. Okay. And knockback resistance will be, 0. Repair item parameters controls which items can be used to repair. Oh, okay, perfect. So let's go plus. We want to repair it with emeralds. And it can be repaired by only emeralds. Or should I make it emerald blocks to make it harder to repair? Yeah, let's make it emerald blocks to make it at least a bit harder. A creative inventory tab. This parameter defines where your element can be found in creative mode. Okay, yeah, let's keep it as is. I think everything else is set. Let's go save mod element. Okay, let's go. So now, what can I do with it? Add attribute, modifier, and triggers. What is attribute slot? Let's say for the helmet. Let's see if I can put the... Maybe I think this is what will help us put these. So this is done. This is done. Crafting, I haven't gotten to it yet. Let's start with the helmet. So apply to helmet. Feet, leg, head, attribute, armor. Actually, what does this do? Kind of confused. Let's see. So apparently I shouldn't mess with this. I should go back to triggers and do the triggers. So let's go again with triggers. Helmet tick event, chestplate tick event, leggings, and boots. So let's start with the helmet tick event. I want to try to do the night vision. Create proceed. Event trigger. Triggered by external call or when global trigger. So I want to make it when a player has it on. Click on the entity. Maybe not right now. So event triggered by external call. Let's say player procedure actions. Oh, allow to build if true, otherwise don't. Shouldn't this be okay? Oh my god, this is actually harder than I expected. Is it command, damage, direction, entity? So we have to create the if for it to work. It's a simple if do, but where do I find if? So the if is in the flow control. If do, this one. Sadly enough, I had to use Gemini AI to help because it was so fucking hard. I didn't expect to be this hard. I did some research before the video and like when I did the old video, but holy fuck. As you can see on my screen, Now we have the first trigger done, which is if the armor slot of if we input this helmet, it adds a potion of night vision with amplifier 0 to 200 ticks to event trigger ended. So now this part is done. Now we have to add the debuff, which is decreased breathing underwater. I think it's the same logic. I don't believe it is. I hope it is. So now I'm gonna try to do it. I think this is it. I'm gonna just make sure with Gemini. This is the helmet, has night vision but slightly decreased breathing underwater block. I think we can save. What happened? If I go back. Now we need to add luck 1 and hero of the village 1 when wearing the full armor. I'm back, and after a lot of back and forth, I figured it. I didn't figure it out. I had help figuring it out, and that's it. That's the mod finally done, and now we have to test it in game. So I'm gonna save mod element. Let's go back to workspace. It should be working normally now, and if I press play, see. Now we're in game. I open the creative world. We should see our items in the combat mode. I'm in the helmet. Yeah, let's go. Emerald gem armor helmet. Let's just equip it quickly. How do I? And if we do, wait, what? Let's go. If I go to survival quickly, I should be able to see that. And if we set time, how do I set time? /time. I should be able to see at night. Doesn't look like it's working. Are the ticks going faster than they should? If I remove the armor, does it go? No, it's still the same. So I think we have an issue with the... That's weird. We have an issue with the enchantment, not enchantments, like the... We have an issue with the potion effects, the extra potion effects. I don't think they're working. So I'm gonna go out and see again why they're not working. It should be working again. Let's start. I'm logging back into the same world. Perfect. Oh, I'm guessing we have to fix the tick because it looks like it's fucked basically. Every tick. I don't know if you can see it in the recording, but we probably can. But at least it's working. So I think we just have to fix the tick. And I don't think the villager now thing is working. So let's do that real quick. Now everything should be working smoothly, and we should have our armor set in game with the correct effects. Oh, perfect. Okay. So now, as you can see, I have the night vision, luck, and hero of the village always reoccurring. I can see everything. I think it's the daytime already. Let's just remove this. If I remove it, the time will go down, and the luck and the hero of the village won't work unless you have the full set enabled, basically. But see, now we're gonna go back to night vision in 5, 3, 2, 1. Oh, what a difference. Holy fuck. If we re-put it, it's like night and day, I swear to God. But we still have one thing we haven't done yet. The crafting menu. So now, let me just go back to game mode creative. So now, if you open the menu and let's say we add a crafting table, you won't be able to craft it. Which, what we want to do is to craft it like this. That's how I wanted to do it. So now, let's go back and input it into a crafting menu. And yeah, that'll be the mod. As easy as that. So the crafting is, you put a gold helmet in the middle, emeralds around it, and it should give us the emerald helmet recipe. So I'm gonna finish all of them, and then we're gonna go back in game and do our first crafting in game. Perfect. Now we have the recipe for the helmet, chest plate, leggings, and the boots. Now we will go back in game and test it for the final time. Amazing. Let me just go see if I can find a village quickly. I don't think I'm gonna find any villages for now. So let me just put some items in my hotbar. Let's see. I already have a golden set. I want emeralds. Let me get a stack, 2 stacks. And now if I go, actually let me get also some eggs. Villager spawn egg. Here we go. Villager spawn eggs, and let me just get some of these. And now if we go back to survival, we place this in the middle and we go like, whoop. Oh, let's go. So we know it's working. Oh wait, no. That's the final one. And now let's test if the villager trading will work. Let me just put some of these down. They should find work. Hello? Maybe they need beds. Oh my god. They're just actually stupid. How many beds can I set? 3, 4. Now we go back to survival. We set it game day. We're all woken up. And we have the hero of the village discount automatically. Let's go. Okay, blast protection. Perfect. Aqua affinity. Honestly, I'm... whoa. Oh, shit. Wait. I didn't think it'll do that much damage. Jump! Oh, okay. Lol. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. Oh, let's see how it looks. Oh, it looks like shit. It's not even smooth. That's easy to fix, and I think I can fix that if I take the textures out of the game, out of the MCreator, and do them like in Photoshop or whatever. But for now, we're gonna go as is. It looks choppy. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like to have the mod, I'll have it in my Discord channel. It's just a simple channel that I will start to share some stuff in, the shaders I do with AI, the mods, etc. So if you want to take the mod, use it, improve it in any way, please do so. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.